What's up, everybody? John B here. I'm out in Thomaston, Georgia. I'm at the covered bridge. I came out here a few weeks ago and didn't bring my camera. I came for a funeral, but wish I would have, because the weather was a lot better as far as the cloud coverage and stuff. But now I'm out here, come back out here today, and got sunny skies. A car coming by, hold on. But yeah, got sunny skies today. There's no clouds in the sky right now, which I was hoping to have some clouds in the sky to make it more a little dramatic. But yeah, come out here. We've had a lot of rain lately, so the creek is up, but it's muddy. But I think it's still gonna make a good picture. But yeah, I'm out here at the covered bridge, and I'll flip over in a second, let you check out what it is. But just trying to get some shots of landscapes around here, and hopefully I can find some stuff on the way back home. But yeah, just taking some pictures, and hopefully I can sell some prints of this and make all my time driving around worth it. But yeah, here's my location today, and this is my location. Nice covered bridge. I try to look, I guess I'll have to look online and find out the history of it, but I was told it was used back in the early days when it was a dirt road and horse and carriage in the old Model A days. But yes, they decided to leave it here, which is a good thing for people to come out here and do photo opportunities and stuff. But yeah, they added on. This is all the new part here, but glad they kept the old. So yeah, I'm about to head out. Done taking a few pictures, about to head out and try to find something else to shoot before the day's over with. So talk to y'all later. See ya. So what's up, everybody? I just got home. I went out to Juliet after I went to the bridge, and I was going to see what they had out there, because I'm always going out to Juliet taking pictures, but wasn't anything new to take a picture of. And after all the flooding we've had this past few days, all the rivers and all were pretty much muddy. They were up high but muddy. So I decided just go by and see my uncle at the honey store in Juliet, and went by there and picked up some honey. Talked to him for about almost 2 hours, I guess. But yeah, just got to the house right now and about to run in and start editing some pictures, I guess, and see how they turn out. But I'm gonna take a little break first. But yeah, it's been a good day. Hopefully I can start getting some more pictures, going out doing this more often. I need to really get a plan and find out some locations that I want to go shoot, and go out and shoot the locations kind of deal. But like, you know, do a little road trip one day and just go from location to location, and that way I'm not going all around the the county and a few counties over just to see what's out there. So yeah, I'm gonna get online and start researching that, see what it looks like, and see draw a little map so I can go around shooting some pictures one day, and hopefully the weather's nice and catch the areas that I need to catch with the sun in the right directions. So yeah, it's been a good day, and hopefully you enjoyed the video, and hopefully you enjoyed the pictures that I took today. And if you're interested in a print, just contact me and let me know. All right, and talk to you later. Have a good one. See ya.